Hello everyone. You have probably experienced zooming in on a scene in Blender and noticed that the zoom seems to stop at a certain point. Not only that, but panning also seems to almost stop working, making the situation even more frustrating. Right now, for example, I'm trying to pan sideways, but the viewpoint barely moves. In this short video tutorial, we'll look at 3 ways to solve this problem. Many of you are probably already familiar with the first method. It involves selecting an object or part of it, such as a vertex or a control point, and then pressing the period key on the numpad or, alternatively, choosing the frame selected option from the view menu in the 3D viewport. This video was made using Blender version 4.2. In some earlier versions, frame selected may be called view selected, but the concept is the same. Frame selected is useful in most cases, but in others, it doesn't solve the problem. For example, in the video, I'm using it after selecting the structure of the room, which means the operator will take me outside of it, where I won't find other elements to select and where the zoom will eventually stop working. The tooltip for frame selected tells us that this operator moves the viewpoint closer to the center of the selected object. The issue with the zoom is exactly this. It zooms into the framed region, but doesn't move the observer's viewpoint within the scene. It's like using a telescope while staying in the same spot. To move within the scene and solve these issues, we can use the Dolly View tool, which is located in the navigation submenu of the View menu. After selecting this tool, left-click on a point in the scene and, while keeping the left mouse button pressed, move the mouse forward or backward, and finally release the left mouse button once you've reached your destination. 2 other methods that, like Dolly View, allow you to truly move within the scene are Fly and Walk, both located in the navigation submenu of the View menu, just like Dolly View. The 2 methods work similarly. With Fly, you can orient the viewpoint using the mouse and move forward, backward, or sideways with the WASD keys, just like in a video game. Then press the left mouse button when you reach your destination. You can also cancel the movement and return to the starting position by pressing the Escape key. Note that it's not necessary to hold down the WASD keys to move, as the movement will continue until you counterbalance it or press the left mouse button. The Walk tool works similarly to Fly, using the mouse and the WASD keys, but in this case, movement only happens when you move the mouse or hold down one of the WASD keys. Otherwise, it stops instantly. Again, you can confirm the movement in exit walk mode by pressing the left mouse button, or you can cancel it by pressing the Escape key. Well, I hope this short tutorial was helpful to you. See you soon.